before we can start with the repair of the canal system, we must make sure there's no unexploded ordnance or no IEDs around the canal that can cause harm to any of the local population. So now we have an implementing partner called Mine Awareness Group, who we've contracted and are currently underway to clean the canals out where there's been explosions. They're breaking it up with heavy machinery and cleaning that out. And we're using local labour, cash for work. The local labour is people, IDPs that have lost their livelihoods. We're employing them to do cash for work for cleaning the canals and getting the system up and running again.
يستفادون منه المنطقة حيل فائدة كبيرة جدا يعني من ناحية الأيدي العاملة، من ناحية كفلاحين مزارعين، من ناحية كثروة حيوانية. جميع المجالات المشروع هذا يخدم المنطقة.